For years, retail investors were told the game was rigged. Wall Street had better data, better tools, better access. Retail was always late. Then something changed. Commission-free trading exploded. Apps like Robinhood went mainstream. Retail investors flooded the markets. And suddenly, everyone asked the same question. Is Wall Street finally losing control? On the surface, it looks like retail is winning. Information is everywhere. Anyone can participate, but access doesn't equal advantage. Let's talk about what Wall Street actually has. Institutions operate with deep liquidity, advanced risk models, direct market access, and algorithmic execution. They have teams managing emotion. Retail operates alone, often over-leveraged. The meme stock era made retail feel powerful. GameStop, AMC, short squeezes that shocked the market. Retail won some battles, but Wall Street learned fast. Institutions adapted. They adjusted risk models and optimized execution. The game evolved. Wall Street doesn't need to win every trade. They need to survive every cycle. Retail often tries to win fast. That difference matters. Another edge Wall Street has is time horizon. Institutions can wait. Retail feels pressure to act. Data shows something uncomfortable. Most retail traders underperform long-term, not because they're unintelligent, but because of behavior. Overtrading, chasing momentum, ignoring risk. Now let's talk about options and leverage. Retail has exploded here. Wall Street is often on the other side of these traits. They understand probability. Retail often buys hope. Social media made this worse. Wins are celebrated loudly. Losses are hidden quietly. This creates false confidence. But retail isn't powerless. Retail has advantages Wall Street can't replicate: flexibility, speed in small positions, and freedom from quarterly pressure. When used correctly, these are powerful. The problem isn't retail versus Wall Street. It's strategy versus emotion. Retail ignores discipline. Smart retail investors don't try to beat Wall Street at their own game. They play a different one. They trade less, manage risk aggressively, and avoid leverage traps. Wall Street isn't afraid of retail. They're patient. Retail fear comes from overexposure. The biggest myth: if I just get the next big trade right, everything changes. That thinking destroys accounts. Winning isn't about one trade. It's about staying in the game. So who's really winning in 2026? Not Wall Street. Not retail as a group. The winners are disciplined individuals who understand risk. Markets don't reward rebellion. They reward preparation. Retail investors can win, but only when they stop trying to beat Wall Street and start beating their own worst habits. Follow for real investing perspective. No hype, no conspiracy, no false promises. Understand the game. Beat the habits. Success comes to the prepared. Follow for more.